Tini payment bagai sung TSF ninggai sini press conference asok maningga angin ni TSF ni general secretary hamalu an logo tong sini vice president Pintu sini chief organizing secretary Bibas te sini assistant finance secretary Somor ani yagaro tong sini joint secretary Reno te sini assist central leaders divisional leaders jotto na tongo tini sung press conference asok maning omana Nirok sigo, sung TSF, kedua salrong itu movement teman itu Roman script itu sung kai to. 2020 ni sung kisah governor ni sung memorandum bloka ceng. Nirok nukhana. Aman pergi sung strida koka, board by Malaika, sung memorandum to yang paling to. Hai pun teman ukzaka, government dok assure kai kaje borok sung no ronai ni. Roman script by biset khaijang nai te Bengali script biset khaijang nai sung amono gose jana ka haipana sung tak tumanu kha thangnai 17 March kok group paper CBS ni tongmani aro Bengali script by set khaijak question paper kaisa board exam se yak by suija question paper baksa hoi man ne rok tangai CBS ni sime khorang tisa CBS ini guardian student of semua contact hai ka sumbor ma thang visit kai TVS ini sono khorok sam khalia hai bana sung born wai sung khorang tisai to amo sung public ma busile tabo sung kabang memorandum lokha kabang ma leaders kabang political party bai sung malai ka sung akai ka sung TSF omana sung decision khai ka sung tabo ke bai malai liya borok sungai pai mama lain sini students from the future thungjagai tongo sung mama busi nai sung thangjaga khorang mati sanai ang public na appeal khainai especially students sung sigi makha khana class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko group anga thangi tong sung niro ni support na guardians rock niro ni support na niro support khaya ke sini movement success ngla sung jotono koi nai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization